About 5 months ago, I did something I've been thinking about for a long time. I bit the bullet and started making YouTube videos. Since that first upload, I posted a new video every week. Some did well, some flopped, and I spent way too much time obsessively refreshing the YouTube Analytics app, hoping for that breakthrough moment. I watched so many videos from new YouTubers trying to understand how the algorithm works, and quickly realised everyone's experience is wildly different. So I thought I'd share my journey. Right on the cusp of becoming monetized, this is my time capsule from this point in my YouTube journey. Who knows, maybe I'll revisit it someday if I'm lucky enough to hit 10,000 subscribers. I'm naturally an introverted person. I love spending time alone on woodworking projects or going down endless YouTube rabbit holes. Over the years, I've watched countless small creators grow their hobby-based channels, and the idea of giving it a go myself started to take root. Now, people who know me wouldn't expect me to start a YouTube channel, so I decided to do it quietly, without telling anyone, no expectations, no pressure, just to see what might happen. I knew I wanted my channel to focus on woodworking, workshop projects, hand-built guitars, and the occasional tool review to keep things varied. My first video was a review of a new miter saw I bought. It's awkward, clunky, and just not great. But it's still there because everyone has to start somewhere. Feel free to check it out if you want to feel better about posting your first video. I shot it on my iPhone with a built-in microphone and minimal editing experience. As an introvert, putting myself out there felt like a huge leap, but I hit publish and nothing happened. Views trickled in, no likes, no comments. It was honestly a bit of an anticlimax. But I kept going. After watching advice videos, I realised consistency was key. I committed to posting weekly and started documenting a guitar build. Again, nothing happened. But something unexpected started to change. YouTube gave me a reason to prioritise my woodworking projects. Life often gets in the way, but by committing to weekly uploads, it meant I was carving out time for what I loved. Of course, building things for a channel comes with challenges. Time in the workshop, editing, voiceovers, thumbnails, it all adds up. But I stuck with it and eventually things started to pick up. The views came first, then the comments, then subscribers. Slowly but surely, people began finding my videos and enjoying them. One turning point was when I tackled the project I've been putting off for years, building a new workbench. The pressure of weekly uploads pushed me to start, and I turned it into a series. Each week, more people tuned in, and their supportive comments kept me motivated. By this point, I'd started to relax into my style. My voiceovers became less serious, pretty unlike this one, more self-deprecating, and viewers seemed to connect with that. Then, out of nowhere, my first video got picked up by the algorithm. It was a quick review of a pocket hole jig I'd used for a workbench. I threw it together with recycled footage, added a silly spit take and an AI-generated one-trick pony joke, and poked a bit of fun at Americans in the voiceover. To my surprise, it took off. 5,000 views, 10,000 views, 20,000 views, and eventually started slowing down with just over 23,000 views. The comments flew in, mostly light-hearted, and my subscriber count jumped. Turns out not taking yourself too seriously works. After that, other videos began picking up momentum. I tried replicating the pocket hole video's success with a table saw review, but it didn't take off. Lesson learned, YouTube will humble you quickly, and nothing is guaranteed. Still, I stayed consistent, and after about 4.5 months, I finally hit 1,000 subscribers. As I'm recording this, I'm currently about 600 hours away from the magic 4,000 hours that you need to join the YouTube Partner Program and monetize the channel. Starting a YouTube channel is a slog. Most channels take over a year to hit 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours, and it's a ton of work. Planning content, filming, editing, and of course stressing about analytics, but it's been worth it. I've learned so much, prioritized my hobby, developed new skills, and connected with people who enjoy my sketchy techniques, self-deprecating humour, and tedious jokes. As I approach this first milestone, I wanted to reflect on how far I've come, Maybe I'll make another video if I hit 10,000 subs. That might take 10 years, or 10 weeks, you never know with YouTube. For now, I'm focused on improving my workshop, making better videos, and trusting the process. If you're thinking about starting your channel, here's my advice. Just start. You don't need everything figured out. Be yourself and do what you love. Trust that the right people will find you. It might take time, but keep going. If you're one of my subscribers and you've watched through to the end of this video, thank you. Normal tomfoolery will resume very shortly.